Feeling lost. I don't know who I am anymore. I wake up tired. I go to sleep empty. Why does life feel so heavy? We've all felt this way. When nothing makes sense, when the people we trusted hurt us, when our dreams feel far away, when our minds are loud and our hearts are tired. That's what it means to feel lost. But Stoics, they knew this feeling too. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you'll find strength." What being unbreakable really means. Being unbreakable is not about being strong all the time. It's not about hiding your pain. It's not about winning every battle. It's about standing up when you fall. It's about staying calm when life screams at you. It's about controlling your mind, even when your heart is breaking. That's Stoic strength, the power of letting go. Stoics teach us one powerful lesson. Let go of what you can't control. You can't control what people think, the weather, the past. But you can control how you react, what you focus on, who you become. That's where your power lives. Pain is a teacher. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." Pain can break you, or pain can build you. The choice is yours. Every tear, every sleepless night, every betrayal, it all becomes fuel. Fuel for your transformation. You're not alone. You're not weak for feeling lost. You're human. Even the greatest Stoics, warriors, emperors, philosophers, felt pain. They just refused to stay broken. They turned pain into purpose. They turned fear into fire. They turned loss into lessons. The turning point. This is the moment. Right here, right now. You get to decide. Will you stay lost? Or will you rise, step by step, into someone unbreakable? You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to begin. One small step. Every day. The daily Stoic mindset. Here's how to become unbreakable. Wake up with purpose. Say, "Today is mine." Write your thoughts. Let the noise out. Learn from it. Train your body. Your body is your tool. Keep it strong. Speak less. Listen more. Silence builds wisdom. Face your fear. Do one hard thing. Every day, the unbreakable life. An unbreakable life is not loud. It's not perfect. It's not easy. But it's peaceful. It's powerful. It's real. When the world tries to break you, you smile calmly. You take a breath. You stand tall. Because now you're no longer lost. You are unbreakable. Turn weakness into wisdom. You might feel weak. You might feel like you're not enough. But weakness is not the end. It's the beginning. Stoics believe that weakness is the first teacher. It shows you what you must change. It shows you where to grow. It tells you, look here, this is where your power is hiding. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment. Marcus Aurelius, what once made you cry can now make you wise. The enemy inside. We think our enemies are outside. People, problems, pain. But the real enemy lives inside. It's the voice that says, "You can't. You're not good enough. Why even try?" The Stoics called this the tyrant mind. But they didn't fight it with anger. They fought it with reason, with awareness. You win this war by watching your thoughts, not believing all of them, not feeding the ones that make you small. You're not your thoughts. You're the one watching them. You're stronger than them. Say less, do more. Stoics were not loud. They didn't try to prove anything with words. They proved it with action. You don't need to explain yourself to the world. You don't need to shout. You don't need to beg to be understood. Say less. Live more. Let your life become the loudest thing about you. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius. Nature doesn't rush, and neither should you. We want change to happen fast. We want pain to leave now. But Stoicism teaches us. Real growth is slow. The tree doesn't rush to grow. The sun doesn't rush to rise. The ocean doesn't rush to calm. So why are you rushing? Patience isn't weakness. Patience is power under control. What you own can own you. The more you want, the more you suffer. The more you chase, the more you feel lost. Epictetus said, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants." Let go of the things you don't need. Let go of the hunger for more. Want less. Love what you already have. That's where freedom lives. That's where you become unbreakable. The fire inside you. There's a fire inside you. You may not feel it now, but it's there. It has always been there. The Stoics call it the inner flame. It's the part of you that won't give up. The part of you that still hopes. The part of you that knows. This pain has a purpose. Feed that flame, even if it's just a spark today. Protect it. Grow it. One day, that spark becomes a fire, and the world will feel your light. Walk alone if you must. Sometimes the path gets lonely. You look around and see no one. No support. No cheer. No applause. That's okay. The Stoics walked alone too, not because they wanted to, but because truth is heavy, and not everyone wants to carry it. So walk alone if you must, but walk with courage. And remember, even alone, you're never lost. You're just ahead. You already have what you need. Look around. Look within. Everything you need, it's already in you. Strength, courage, peace, wisdom. It's all there, waiting to be unlocked. No man is free who is not master of himself. Epictetus, you don't need to become someone new. You just need to remember who you are. You are not lost. You are just waking up. And when you wake up, you will be unbreakable. The pain will pass. Pain feels like forever, like a storm that never ends. But storms pass, and so does pain. The Stoics never said don't feel it. They said don't fear it. Feel it, but don't become it. Let it pass through you, like wind through open windows. You are the house. The storm is just weather. Adversity builds the armor. Do you know how swords are made? They're burned, then beaten, then sharpened. That's also how life shapes you. Every hard moment, every heartbreak, every failure, it's the fire that builds your armor. So when life strikes again, you don't break. You shine. Comparison is a thief of peace. Look at others too much, and you forget yourself. You don't need their life. You don't need their path. You don't need their speed. Your journey is yours. Your growth is quiet. Your timing is perfect. Don't waste what's left of your life comparing yourself with others. Marcus Aurelius, let others run. You walk your road, calm and strong. Forgive, but never forget the lesson. People will hurt you. They'll leave. They'll lie. They'll betray. Don't carry hate. Hate burns you, not them. Forgive, not for them, for you. But don't forget the lesson. Learn who to trust. Learn how to protect your peace. Learn how strong you become. The world owes you nothing. This sounds harsh, but it's freedom. The world doesn't owe you love, or fairness, or ease. And that's okay, because Stoics teach. What you don't expect can't hurt you. When you expect nothing, you become thankful for everything. And when you're thankful, you become rich without needing more. Build the inner fortress. Life will hit you again and again. So build something inside that can't be broken. Not muscles, not money, but character. Every day, tell the truth. Do the hard thing. Control your reactions. Brick by brick, you build a fortress inside your soul. And nothing out there can shake you. Speak with purpose. Words are powerful. They can build. They can destroy. Speak less, but mean more. Don't gossip. Don't complain. Don't lie to sound wise. Say what matters. Say what's true. Say what helps. Let silence become your strength until your words move mountains. Master the morning, master the mind. The Stoics woke early, not to suffer, but to start strong. Your first hour, it shapes the rest. So wake with intention. No phone, no noise, just you and your mind. Write, breathe, plan, move. A calm morning grows a calm soul, and a calm soul can't be broken. You are becoming. Look at how far you've come. You're not who you were. You've been burned, but not broken. You've cried, but kept walking. You've lost, but still believe. That's what it means to become. You are not the storm. You are the tree that survived it. You are not broken. You are becoming unbreakable. Control what you feed your mind. Your mind is a garden. What you plant grows. If you feed it fear, it grows fear. If you feed it strength, it grows courage. The Stoics guarded their minds. They didn't let lies, noise, or hate enter. So ask yourself daily, is this helping me grow? If not, let it go. You become what you consume. Choose your thoughts like you choose your food, with care. Don't react, respond. Life will push you. People will test you. But not everything deserves a reaction. Reacting is easy, but responding, that's wisdom. Take a breath. Pause. Think. Then act, not from anger, but from clarity. This is how the Stoic becomes a rock in the storm. Live like you're already free. You don't need permission. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to wait for the right time. You are already free inside, free to choose peace, free to walk away, free to be who you truly are. Freedom isn't out there. It's how you live right now. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he is not, but rejoices for those which he has. Epictetus. Make peace with the past. You can't go back, but you can go forward. Forgive the past, but don't erase it. It made you. It shaped your strength. It gave you fire. Stop replaying old pain. It already happened. Now it's time to build something new. Embrace the boring. Not every day will be exciting. Not every step will feel powerful. But boring days build warriors. The Stoics knew. The quiet moments, the lonely work, those shape your character. Wash the dishes. Train your body. Read the book. Sit in silence. Do the small things well. And one day, you'll wake up unshakable. No one is coming to save you. It's a hard truth, but it's freedom. No one is coming to fix you. No one is coming to make life easy. You are the one. The hero. The builder. The fire starter. The Stoics didn't wait for a rescue. They became their own answer. So stop waiting. Start becoming. Live as if you might die tomorrow. You don't have forever. Every breath is a gift. Memento mori. Remember, you must die. This truth scared some, but the Stoics use it as fuel. If today were your last, would you waste it on fear, on anger, on gossip, or would you love deeper, act braver, speak your truth, learn to sit in silence? The world is loud, but your power grows in silence. Turn off the noise. Put down the phone. Close your eyes. Just breathe. In silence, the Stoics found wisdom, peace, direction. Silence isn't empty. It's full of answers. You don't have to prove anything. You're not here to impress. You're not here to be liked by all. You're here to live fully and truly. Let go of the need to prove. Let go of the chase for approval. You are enough without applause. You are worthy without a title. You are strong without a stage. Stand up one more time. You've been knocked down. So what? Get up. One more time. That's the Stoic secret. Not perfection. Not control. Just persistence. Fall 7 times. Stand 8. That's how you go from lost to unbreakable. You are your choices. Every day, you are choosing who you are becoming. Every thought, every action, every word. What you choose today will shape your tomorrow. So choose wisely. The Stoics didn't wait for life to decide their fate. They decided how they would respond. You are always one decision away from a better life. Master the present moment. Don't worry about the future. Don't regret the past. The present is all you have. The Stoics understood that the moment you're living in is the only one that matters. It's the only one you can control. Focus on the now. Make it your best. And let everything else fall into place. Accept what you cannot change. There are things you cannot change. People, events, outcomes. But your reaction? That's yours. The Stoics learned to accept what was out of their control and focus only on what was in their hands. Life doesn't always go as planned, but you always have control over your mind. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude isn't just a feeling. It's a choice. The Stoics didn't wait for happiness to fall from the sky. They found it in the small things: the morning sun, a warm meal, a kind word. Be thankful even for the pain, because pain teaches. Pain transforms. Gratitude turns ordinary moments into extraordinary gifts. Turn every struggle into strength. When life tests you, don't retreat. Embrace the struggle. Every difficulty is an opportunity in disguise. Every challenge strengthens you. The Stoics didn't ask for an easy life. They asked for strength to handle anything that came their way. When you struggle, you grow. Trust your journey. You might not see the path ahead. You might not know where you're going, but trust. Trust that every step is leading you somewhere. Marcus Aurelius said, "The obstacle is the way. The road may not be clear, but it's always the right path." Make every day a new beginning. No matter how yesterday went, today is a fresh start. The Stoics didn't dwell on past mistakes. They focused on making today better. Every day, you are reborn. Every moment is a chance to rewrite your story. Start today as if it's your first day, a new beginning. Don't be afraid to be alone. Being alone doesn't mean you're lonely. It means you're free. The Stoics valued solitude. They didn't need a crowd to find peace. They didn't need noise to find strength. Learn to enjoy your own company. Learn to find peace in stillness. Because only in solitude can you hear your true voice. Be the rock for others. The Stoics didn't live in isolation. They helped those around them. They were the strong ones, the ones who could be relied on. You may feel like you're still rebuilding, but you are strong enough to help someone else. Be the rock for others when they feel lost. The same way you were lifted when you were lost. Fear is not your enemy. Fear often holds us back, but fear isn't your enemy. Fear is simply a signal that you're about to do something brave. Fear means you're stepping outside your comfort zone. The Stoics didn't avoid fear. They faced it. So next time you feel fear, know it's the sign that you're growing. Life doesn't happen to you. It happens for you. Life may seem random, unfair even, but the Stoics believed everything has a purpose. Everything is an opportunity. The struggles, the pain, the setbacks, they are not punishment. They are shaping you. Life is not happening to you. It is happening for you. Embrace the impermanence of life. Nothing lasts forever. Not the good, not the bad. This may seem sad, but the Stoics found peace in it. Because when you accept that everything is temporary, you learn to live fully in every moment. Nothing is permanent, but you can make every moment count. Don't wait for motivation. Create it. Motivation comes and goes. It's fleeting. Instead of waiting for motivation to hit, create it. The Stoics knew that action leads to motivation. Start, and the momentum follows. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to begin. True freedom is internal. The world can take everything, but it cannot take your mind. It cannot take your peace. True freedom doesn't come from possession, success, or fame. True freedom comes from within. The Stoics understood that when you are the master of yourself, nothing can bind you. You are already unbreakable. You've done the work. You've faced the storms. You've learned the lessons. Now, you are unbreakable. It wasn't the world that made you strong. It was you. Every challenge was a chance to build. Every failure was a lesson in disguise. You are unbreakable, not because life is easy, but because you've decided to be strong.